couch. Welcome back to Off the Couch. I'm Ruby Jones.
And I'm Ryan Laws. It's been a while since we've been on camera, so let's have a chat with some of the preps. Let's get off the couch.
Today I'm here with India. So India, what have you been doing in school this year?
Tricky words.
Tricky words? So what words have you been learning?
The, my, they, a.
Those are very tricky words. Which one would you consider your favourite word?
I.
That's a good one. Thank you, India.
Hi, I'm here with Oliver. So, Oliver, what have you been learning in class?
We're learning about animals, how they move.
Yeah, and what type of animals have you been learning about?
Kangaroos and wobblies and dolphins and sharks and crocodiles.
Awesome. And how does a kangaroo move?
Like this. Jumping.
That's right. Thanks, Oliver.
Today I'm here with Floyd. So Floyd, what are you doing this year?
I'm stretching words out and in. And putting them right back together.
That's
sit.
That's pretty cool. So what's your favourite word to stretch?
Floyd by name.
That's pretty cool, Floyd. Thank you.
Hi, I'm here with Ella. So, Ella, what have you been doing in class?
Helping people. If they fall over, I help them pick them up.
Yeah, that's great, isn't it? It's nice to help people. Thank you, Ella. Aren't the preps just so cute? It's great that they're learning about their letters and their sounds.
We all need a little bit more love in the world, so it's great to see them learning about that. We'll see you next time on Off the Couch.
Learning, off the couch.